What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert any video that you may have for absolute free. And the AI tool that I'm about to share with you, you can use this to get started for absolutely free. And I'm going to show you step by step within a couple of minutes how to do this. So open up your browser guys, and you want to go ahead and type in Morph Studio. You will see the website here from the search results, morphstudio.com. You want to head over to this website here. You can easily get started for free. As you can see here, just simple click on the get started for free and click continue with your Gmail or your Discord. I'm going to simply choose my Gmail account right here, click on continue, and it's going to quickly create an account for me so that I can easily get started. Now, once you're inside, give you some advertisement, you can click off that guys, but all you need to do is simply click and create on the left hand side. Now, to create your video, all you have to do is just simply click on the upload section here on the left hand side, and you want to go ahead and find your video, right? That could be a video with audio or without audio. It's really up to you, whatever you want to create. Now, for the purpose, as I said, I'm going to show you how to create video to animate. So as you can see, this is a video here of this woman watering some plants or watering trees. So how do we do that? You can either use prompt by type whatever you want to style it, or you can click the filter here to choose something. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to click on the animate option here. You want to scroll down. You can do lip sync if you want to do a lip sync enhance as well. That's really another option. There's a ton of different options that you can choose from guys. Really amazing stuff. Now once you do that guys and select anime, here you have the style strength. Now by default it is set to 0.5, which is the, let's say, the sweet spot. I would put it like that, but if you want to make it less anime, you can put it to 0.1, or if you want to bring it all the way up to 1, it's gonna be the maximum, right? So let's say we leave it at the 0.5 so that you see what the middle option is like. Now once you choose that guys, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click the style button here, which is AI style button, and this is going to take some time. As you can see, it says your video is queued and we just need to wait for it to start. This can take some time, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow it to do its thing, and then I'm going to share with you the final results after it is completed. My video is finished, converted to anime, and if I click on that video guys, you'll be able to see that it's playing. Now to download this, just simply click the download button here on the lower right hand side of my video, and you will see that it's downloaded to my PC. And I'm going to open up the folder here, and I'm going to show you the original, and also I'm going to show you the new one. So let me go ahead and make larger icons so that you can see. So if you look here guys, this is the video that I originally uploaded to the Morph Studio. This is the original video, and this is the video that it has converted my video to anime. Have a look at this now. Really cool stuff guys. I think it does an amazing job. Really cool. So that's it guys. If you're looking to create videos with anime, Morph Studio is a brilliant choice. Any video that you have, you can easily create that with anime. Very easy and very simple guys. Thank you guys for watching.